Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. I'm going to show you this 2017 264 BHW Jayco. We do sell them new. This is a pre-owned piece of inventory out here. It's a nice bunkhouse with no slides. So if you don't have any complications of slides, this is your trailer. It's a bunkhouse. It's going to be a Baja edition, so it's a little taller off the ground. This is a sweet little floor plan. I do like this a lot. Let's kind of make our way this way. Larger propane tanks, more capacity. Large front pass-through storage area. Good size awning down the sides of this. That is a power awning with outdoor speakers, so you have a nice entertaining area out here. It does have some storage underneath the back bed, which is cool. And as you make your way in here, I'll show you the front of this trailer. You have a front bedroom with storage under the bed and a curtain for privacy for your bedroom. It still has a nice couch, which a lot of trailers without a slide or anything do not have a couch. You have a couch that makes into a bed, seating, entertaining area, your galley kitchen here, and a booth dinette. So you have your booth dinette, and as you make your way to the back, you have large, good, ample bunks, 600-pound capacity. Again, adults, gear, kids, lots of great reasons to have a nice bunkhouse. And then you have your bathroom across the back. Tub, toilet, functional bathroom with a shower outside there, or excuse me, the sink outside. This trailer and any other trailer here at Guaranty. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. Ask for me. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a good day.